All of our active weather is over. Today, our skies will become much more clearer. Central mountains only towards the north will you have some lingering clouds, and Driggs northward will you have some lingering clouds. More partly cloudy skies expected for the northern half of western Wyoming, especially Yellowstone. Yellowstone is probably going to have the thickest cloud coverage versus our entire region in eastern Idaho, western Wyoming. Winds staying very gentle today, especially for the upper Snake River Plain. Calm winds outside of the Snake River Plain, 10, 12 miles per hour. Only in Yellowstone will they experience the cusp of a little bit stronger wind speeds, maybe up to 15 miles per hour. Today for the Snake River Plain, temperatures a few degrees warmer, 66 Pocatello, Idaho Falls, a high of 65. And as the week goes on, each day's high temperature will rise a few degrees each day. Central Mountains, sun, 60s, topping out Chalice, Salmon at 70 degrees. For the Eastern Highlands, temperatures in the 50s, Yellowstone at 48 for the high, and Soda Springs 61. In the evening time, clear skies, fair weather continues, 40s and 30s, Pocatello at 42 for the overnight low. Our high temperatures are going to rise each day, about 4 to 6 degrees each day, but our low temperatures will remain in the 30s and 40s. So therefore, that contrast in the afternoon will give us some gusts. The main issues over the next week here will strictly be some morning mist, morning fog, and that will clear out as soon as the sun comes out and burns all that stuff away, and then some afternoon gust. That is the main threat. Central Mountains, 66 degrees, rising to the weekend, late weekend, 75 degrees. Late Monday night, northern Central Mountains may experience the arrival of some rain for the rest of eastern Idaho. Tuesday/Wednesday, we may have a weather event. At this time, it looks to be a fast-moving, rain-producing wave of a disturbance, and that will move through, and then we'll continue with some more fair weather late next week. That is very far out, but at this point, it's fun to look at that far ahead because we have a lot of fair weather in store, and I'm always looking at the next threat, the next impact coming down the line. Idaho Falls, 65 degrees today, getting into the 70s for the weekend. We'll drop down in temperature on Tuesday. Eastern Idaho will drop in temperature on Tuesday, and then we'll continue to warm up a little bit from there as well. Rexburg, a high of 63 degrees today, and tomorrow 67 room temperature for the weekend. A degree or two above room temperature for the weekend.